Morning from New Zealand. How you going? Today I'm going to do a bit of a DIY sort of job today out in the chicken coop. I'm having problems with the common sparrows and a New Zealand native bird called the fantail flying into the chicken coop and having a good old feast of the old chicken mash. So I'm going in there now. I'm not going to buy one of these fancy dancy sort of battery powered automatic door things. What I'm going to do, out of breath. What I'm going to do, I've got our little chicken sack here. We've got some old scissors, the old drill and some screws. And yeah, so we're going to go into the chicken coop. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Yeah, so while the chickens are out grazing on the paddock, I'm going to do a little bit of I've already put some in here this morning, hopefully to stop the sparrows from just diving straight on in there. But I'm going to put a second lot on the other side again, just to give it a bit more flapping around in there. So let's come in here, chicken coop. Got two hens down in here at the moment having a old feast. But this is what I've done this morning. So the chickens come through there, they can freely come and go. But I'm just going to put another flap on there, just to stiffen it up a little bit. Hopefully it'll fill in these little gaps here. So we'll see how we get on. Right. I'm going to get the sack, the plastic stuff. I'm just going to roughly make a square. About that there. It's probably what, 30 centimeters in width. And I'm going to cut some strips. Some long length strips. Watch your fingers. The old chicken's having a good old nose. Just roughly so the chickens can come and go with no problems. Hang on. Snip, 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 snip. And a snip, 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 snip. There we go. It's even got a chicken on it. Look. Oh, you guys are lucky. It's also going to trap a bit of warmth in here too. A bit of the old flow. I'll bring the camera over. So yeah, so I had one there I just did previously this morning. But you see what I'm going to do. It's going to stiffen it up a little bit. And hopefully it's going to cover all the gaps in there. So that's what it's going to do there. Right, so I'm going to let the screws out. I'll get 3. Hello chicken, how are you going? Hello, hang on, you can go up in a minute, hang on. Just wait. Oh, come on. Just wait. And put that there so I don't lose it. And roughly I'm going to go screw in the middle. Anyone can do this. Oh, I'm making a bit of noise. The chickens are coming over. I'll tell you now, they've got great hearing. The old chickens, I can sneak in here and they can hear me a mile away. Another one over here. And another one here on the other side. Just make sure they can't. Come on. So there we have it. Put some of that straw down there. Clean that up. So that's filled in all the gaps there, as you can see. So hopefully that's going to stop a little bit of, or keep the bit of warmth in the chock house anyway. Not so much the one from the outside, but yeah. So that should do the job, and hopefully keep some of the sparrows out, so from flying in. So. Oh well, there we have it. Just a cheap way of saving a bit of money, I guess. And I'll see if we can get a hen coming through. She wants to. She's going to go and lay an egg, but I'll leave her in peace, that one. There we go, it worked. And hopefully, I'll see if we can catch a chicken lay an egg. Hang on. Come on. There we go. The other one. Come on. Just probably got to show them how to use it. Come on. Come on. Quick. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Chuk Chuk. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Just leaving a bit of a feed there. Hey, look. Hey. Hey. What's that? What's that? What's that? Hey. All right. That's the video for today. DIY. I suppose you want to call it a bird. I don't know. The birds from getting into the coop. So yeah. Hey guys, girls, like the video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.